guys, Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Before I Realize by XXXTentacion. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or I will grinch your ass and steal all them presents under that Christmas tree. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's pretty simple, but as always, if you need the guitar tab, I will have it in the video description for you, as well as the free ebook that's titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Both of them are 100% free. They're there for if you need them, so if you do, jump into the video description once you get done and go pick them up. You're starting by plucking your low E with your thumb, and your high and your B with your, I use my ring finger. You can do thumb and index if you want. You can use any finger really. I use my thumb and my ring. Pluck those at the same time. Then you're gonna go 1 on the B string. Pluck both the E and the B at the same time again, and then pull off to open on the B. So you're plucking E and B at the same time, then again at the same time, and then pull off to open. Then pluck both E and B again, and then go to 3 on the B string and pluck both E and B again. And that little segment just repeats throughout the entire song, so slowly it looks like. Full speed looks like. There you have it guys, that's all there is to it. Keep practicing, you will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.